In this video, we are going to see how to update the note. In the note store file, we are going to create update note function. In that function, we are going to update notes array by the given note, and we are going to call save function. In the note detail view, we are going to add note variable. And in the initialize function, we are going to assign value for it. We are going to modify save function. When note variable is not empty, we are going to call update note function. Else, we are going to call create note function. In the content view notes list, we are going to assign tab gesture for notes row view. We are going to create state variable for selected note. And in the tab gesture, new value for selected note. And in the navigation destination, pass the selected note to the notes detail view. In the notes detail view, in the initialize function, update the default value for title and content. Let's run the app. Click a note and update the note. Click save button. Updated note is reflected in the list page. Thanks for watching this video.